So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find homes for sale here on Redfin. So once you open up Redfin, you can either go to where it says buy here and search up your city, or if you're looking for specifically like houses or for whatever you're looking for, I guess, go to the top, press on buy where it says homes for sale under popular searches. Go ahead and press on that. Now, once you go on this page right here, it's going to want you to type in a location or just your own location or whatever. So if you wanted to go ahead, for example, and just type in New York right here, you can go ahead and do that. You can do a price range if you want, but for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and press on search. And once that is done, you now have your homes that are for sale. So this also, is a wide range. So if you want specifically houses, you can go ahead and do that. There's basically all you can do. So if you were to go to this, press on houses, then press on done, you can go ahead and refine your search that way. But that's the premise. Pretty simple, pretty basic. That's how to find homes for sale on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.